The gluteus medius, one of the three gluteal muscles, is a broad, thick, radiating muscle, situated on the outer surface of the pelvis. Its posterior third is covered by the gluteus maximus, its anterior two-thirds by the gluteal aponeurosis, which separates it from the superficial fascia and integument. Structure: the gluteus medius muscle starts, or originates, on the outer surface of the ilium between the iliac crest and the posterior gluteal line above, and the anterior gluteal line below. The gluteus medius also originates from the gluteal aponeurosis that covers its outer surface. The fibers of the muscle converge into a strong flattened tendon that inserts on the lateral surface of the greater trochanter. More specifically, the muscle's tendon inserts into an oblique ridge that runs downward and forward on the lateral surface of the greater trochanter. Relations: a bursa separates the tendon of the muscle from the surface of the trochanter over which it glides. Variations: the posterior border may be more or less closely united to the piriformis, or some of the fibers end on its tendon. The posterior fibers of gluteus medius contract to produce hip extension, lateral rotation and abduction. During gait, the posterior fibers help to decelerate internal rotation of the femur at the end of swing phase. Function: with the leg in neutral position, the gluteus medius and gluteus minimus function together to pull the thigh away from midline, or abduct the thigh. During gait, these two muscles function principally in supporting the body on one leg, in conjunction with the tensor fasciae lati, to prevent the pelvis from dropping to the opposite side. Additionally, with the hip flex, the gluteus medius and minimus internally rotate the thigh. With the hip extended, the gluteus medius and gluteus minimus externally rotate the thigh. This external rotation force does not actually draw the hip outwards, rather it acts to prevent internal rotation. Without this action, or in the presence of pathology, the knee would migrate inwards, creating stress on the structures at the hip, knee and foot. Clinical significance: dysfunction of the gluteus medius or the superior gluteal nerve can potentially be indicated by a positive Trendelenburg sign. Additional images. See also, this article uses anatomical terminology. For an overview, see anatomical terminology. Trendelenburg gait, references. This article incorporates text from a public domain edition of Gray's Anatomy. External links: -200,933,297 at KP Notebook. Origin, insertion and nerve supply of the muscle at Loyola University Chicago Stritch School of Medicine. Anatomy photo, 13STO404 at the SUNY Downstate Medical Center. Cross-section image, pelvis E12-15, plastination laboratory at the Medical University of Vienna.